Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait, hold on. What the heck? Hold on. I'll call you back. Guess who's back? Okay. So everybody. I am officially back on YouTube. I took a break from YouTube because I wanted to catch up all my work, and plus two, I ran track, and by the way, I ran hurdles, and I did my best on it. And my other friend in the 50 subscribers special video, he's the best out of all of them. Last year, I was the best one out of everybody, except for maybe one school or two. So yeah, I took a break from YouTube just so I can do all my other stuff. So I focus on track and school work, focus on my work, and plus two, we are doing map testing. If you don't know what that is, I'll leave, I'm not gonna leave a link in the description box below because I'm not gonna do that anyways. So why am I even doing that? Anyways, I just decided to make a video now because I have a big announcement to make. So, wow, I need to change my calendar over there because it's not April anymore. So starting June 5th or June 7th, I'll be making videos back to back however I can. Maybe not back to back like almost every single day, but I assure you, you will see a lot of videos almost every 2 days. I'm pretty sure. Because on that day, June 5th or June 7th, I will be going to Atlanta, Georgia with my dad because for personal reasons, but all I can tell you is that I haven't seen him in a while and I want to hang out with him, but that's all you get because I'm not going to tell you anymore. I've been to Atlanta, Georgia before once. It was when I had to go to a wedding like back in July, I think. So when I went to the wedding, I stayed in Atlanta. Well, the wedding was in Florida. I almost said Atlanta, Florida, but it was Destin, Florida. So Crab Island. Don't know what that is. I will leave a link I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to see a video of Crab Island in Florida. Super nice. Please, I am just encouraging you to go there because it is the best place you will ever see besides like the Bahamas and Hawaii and yeah. But was the wedding. That's where the wedding was. So I stayed in Atlanta for 2-3 days. And then we took a 3-hour trip because Florida and Atlanta, they're really close together. See, I'll post a picture right up here. So as you see, Florida and Atlanta they're really close. I stayed in Atlanta for a few days. I hung out there, see what it was like. It was amazing. I love the people. I love to me, it was basically like a African-American LA. Like, it was like LA, but full of African-Americans, and that was it. Like, Atlanta is like the home of African-Americans. I'm probably wrong, but who cares? So when I went to Destin, Florida, or Crab Island, that was just the best day of my entire life. I will never forget that moment because you will just be amazed on how it looked up. Trust me, I will leave a link in the description box below if you want to see a video of Crab Island. I'm sorry, I have to stop this habit where I'm looking at the screen instead of the lens. I gotta stop, okay? To get to my actual point, starting on June 5th or June 7th, I'll be making videos back to back because I'll be going to Atlanta, Georgia for 1.5 months. Or a half month. No. It's like all of June and then half of July. Is that two? No. It's technically like 2 months. That's like 1.5, but if you know what I mean. But you will see me making videos probably almost every single day because it's a wonderful place. And then during like my last few weeks staying there with my dad, I'll be going to Destin, Florida or Crab Island again. And trust me guys, I am bringing my equipment no matter what. I'm bringing this, I'm bringing my GoPro. Well, it's not a GoPro, but it's an action camera. I'm bringing everything I can to show you guys what it was like. The reason why I'm bringing my action camera is because it's waterproof. It has a waterproof case. And water in Destin, Florida or Crab Island, it is the clearest water you will ever see. Like, trust me, when I get there, you guys are gonna be amazed. So, that was my whole point. Starting on June 5th, I'll be going to two different states, and I'll be showing you guys what it would be like. So, I think that wraps it up on the big announcement. So if you guys like this video, please So please like this video, comment on what you think it's gonna be like in Destin, Florida or Atlanta, Georgia. If you've been there, please comment down below and tell me what your experience was like. And also subscribe to this channel if you have not, because unfortunately I lost 1 subscriber for some reason. I was at 55, now I'm at 54. Like, how is that possible? So like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notifications bell so you can see all my videos when I post them, and share this video or any of my excuse me, and share this video so you can share this video or any other videos that I made with your friends or family or anybody that you know, so they can know me, so they can subscribe to me. Maybe I'll subscribe to them back and you hear me. Maybe. So that about wraps it up. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. If you have any more questions, please comment on this video. I will be sure to answer all of your questions. So yeah. Atlanta, Georgia, Destin, Florida, here I come, because you guys are going to watch it with me. Goodbye.